Greetings, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for Class 1, Subject General Science, Chapter 13, Planet Earth, Part 1. Now, in this lesson, we are going to learn about our planet. What is planet Earth? It is the planet on which we live. Okay, so we are going to learn what kind of planet it is and what are the different lands and water sources that are present on Earth. Okay, so let's begin with the lesson. The Earth. The Earth is our planet. It is the only planet in the solar system which contains life. Okay, so the Earth is the only planet which has life on it. Okay, it is the only planet which has water in a liquid form and has enough oxygen for living things to breathe comfortably. Now, this is the last lesson for you, so try to understand it completely. Okay, so the Earth is the only planet that has life on it. There are other planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system in the space above the sky. So in other planets there is no existence of life. There is no life at all. But on Earth there are different forms of life, like like plants, animals, human beings, the small insects, bacteria, very small animals. All these things, all these life exists on Earth because we have water, because we have oxygen to breathe in. The very important component for any life to exist is the presence of oxygen and the presence of water. Okay, it is very important for the existence of life. So Earth is the only planet that has life on it, and Earth is the only planet which has water in a liquid form. It has water in the liquid form. Okay, so the water that we use is in the liquid form. So I hope you understood. No, the planet Earth. Earth is the planet that we are bound, or we are living on Earth. Okay, we can breathe easily, we can drink water, we live here, we stay with our parents. Everything happens on the planet Earth. Planet Earth is like, it is our mother. Okay, so Earth is the only planet which has enough oxygen for living things to breathe comfortably. The plants also breathe. The animals also breathe. Small microorganisms also breathe. The insects also breathe. Okay, snakes, lizard, you name any kind of organisms that is living on the earth, everyone needs oxygen. Oxygen. Or I repeat again, oxygen, oxygen. We need oxygen for proper existence of life on the earth. Then, what is a globe? A globe is a small model of our planet. We can see how much water and land there is on the surface. Now, here you can see one small example of globe. Globe is a small model of our planet. If you go to the outer space and watch the our planet, that is the planet Earth, which is the third planet from the sun. If we watch the planet Earth from the space, we can see it in this form. Okay, it is little tilted and it is the spherical in shape. Spherical means like a ball. Okay, it is spherical in shape, and this is like a model of the globe. Model means what, children? If when you have to, and there is something huge, we make a small look alike like the whole huge thing. Okay, you must have seen the models of Taj Mahal, right? Taj Mahal is so big, the building itself is so big, but the look-alike or the small model, you can carry it in your hand itself. So globe is nothing but the small model of our planet, which helps us to know the water and land on the surface of the water. Now here in the globe you can see the blue color part is nothing but completely filled with water. The other part which is colored differently, pink, yellow, all those colors are there, no, that is nothing but the land part. The land part is where we live. Okay, the land is where we live. Water is, our earth is made up of almost 71% of water. Okay, 71 maximum amount of water is present on the earth. It is completely filled with earth, and only little some percentage of land is present on the earth. So this globe is nothing but a small representation or a small model of our planet when we see it from the sky or when we see it from the space. So now you understood what is the planet earth and what is globe, right? What is globe? Globe is nothing but a small model of our planet. So next we will see about the earth is covered with most water, right? Most of the earth is covered with water. So we'll see what are the different forms of water and everything. Okay, so stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, keep learning children, do the exercises in your textbooks as well as your workbooks. Okay, thank you.